In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to update Stripe settings efficiently, making it a simple and straightforward process no matter what you're aiming to change. Whether it's updating your bank account information or modifying your public business details, we've got you covered. Let's dive right in. First up, let's discuss how you can update your bank account details, the account where Stripe sends your payouts. This is crucial, as having the correct bank information ensures your funds reach you safely and on time. To get started, head over to your Stripe dashboard and look for the settings icon, which is often represented by a small gear. Once there, you'll find an option labeled Business Settings. Clicking on this will reveal a list of options where you'll want to select External Payout Accounts and Scheduling. Once you're in the correct section, you'll notice an option to edit next to your current bank account details. Clicking that will guide you through the process of updating your routing and account numbers. This step is essential to ensure accuracy, so take your time and double-check the information you input. Remember, depending on your setup, you may be prompted to verify these changes through a quick email confirmation. Keep this in mind as it adds an important layer of security to your banking details. However, be aware that if you have any payouts already pending, these might still be sent to your old account. So, it's best to schedule this update when you have no pending payouts or have accounted for any in transition. Next, let's move on to updating your account name or public business information, a task you might find necessary when rebranding or changing key business details. Navigate back to your settings and look for an option called Account Details. Here you have the flexibility to edit your account name, which is visible to you in your dashboard. It's great for internal organization, but keep in mind this name does not appear on customer statements. If you're interested in changing what your customers see, specifically on their invoices and card statements, you'll want to check the section labeled Public Business Information, found in the same Account Details panel. This is where you can edit your statement descriptor, ensuring it reflects any changes in your business name or branding. Updating this information can help maintain a consistent brand presence, which is especially important for customer recognition and trust. And there you have it. 2 key areas within Stripe you might need to update now and then, broken down into easy, manageable steps. Taking the time to ensure this information is accurate can ensure seamless transactions and help manage your business efficiently. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more helpful guides like this one.